Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share a technique to improve your English and it's called consume and create. If you're ready, let's go! I'm not sure if you guys have heard of this technique, but I adapted it from other self-improvement videos that talk about consuming and creating. Consuming is like an input and creating is like an output. To consume is to receive.And to create is to create things out there. In the self-improvement world, they say that if you want to be better, you have to consume good things like self-improvement videos, read books, but you also have to create good things to improve yourself. You should write more, reflect more, or make YouTube videos. So I think the idea is that if you want to be better, you have to both receive good things and also create good things out there. It goes both ways.both consuming and creating. Now I want to adapt this technique with English improvement, and the idea is very similar. Most of the time what we're already doing to improve our English, it's usually consuming. Whether it's watching English improvement videos, go to tutoring classes, read English books, or whatever you're doing to consume the knowledge of English improvement. That's consuming, and we're all doing it.There's another step. If you want to be better at English, you have to create something. Only consuming knowledge can also be passive rather than active. We didn't really get to act. But that's why rather than only consume English knowledge, you should also create. That way you can be more active in improving your English. The next question is how? How to create. You can do anything that feels active.and make your brain thinks in English and create things in English. I recommend writing an article, writing a blog, writing a diary. You could write anything that you want to, as long as you write on your own without any guide. And that will stimulate your brain to think in English and write in English. You have consumed so much English knowledge already. Now it's time to put the work out there. Create something.Another way to look at this idea is to imagine when you're in college, you're learning a lot of theories, right? But you haven't really used it in real life. You have consumed but not create. Or maybe you took a lot of notes about English phrases to speak, but you haven't spoken yet. So speak, and that's creating. Now let's recap what we talked about in this video. This video we talked about consume and create. It's a self-improvement technique.But we can also adapt to English improvement. To consume is to receive knowledge, like watching English videos, reading something. But more importantly, we should all create something in English. Put the knowledge into work. Write something, speak something. I hope this technique works for you. Let me know if you want more creative techniques like this. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!